Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing very well. Today, 31st May is worldwide celebrated as World No Tobacco Day. Today, I would like to start a few topics, objectives, and other factors about World No Tobacco Day. The World No Tobacco Day is usually celebrated on 31st May or in every country, not only in India. The main objective of this day is to celebrate and create awareness among the people about the sustainable development goals, about the hindering movements of sustainable goals, because tobacco use is a very major issue, not only in our community but in other countries as well. It also hindering the achievements of development sustainable goals, which are created by WHO to create awareness the use of this hazardous substance among the Indian communities and other countries. Talking about the history of World No Tobacco Day, it was created by World Health Organization, that is known as WHO, in 1987 to draw the global attention of the tobacco epidemics and to prevent the death and diseases which it usually causes, because it is very common and addictive in human adults and other countries as well. In 1987, the World Health Assembly has created and passed a resolution of WHO 4038. On 7 April, World No Smoking Day was also celebrated. Apart from this, the objectives of World No Tobacco Day is to make celebration inform the public about the dangerous effects of using tobacco, the business practices of tobacco companies, and to make people around the world know how they can use and they can help in their living and to protect the environment and approx from them the future generations. These are the secret, share and alag-alag communications of using different countries. Apart from that, Indian communities have nearly 3/4 of the global burden of disease attributed to the smokeless tobacco. It is hardly affecting Indian countries in a very big manner, and around 3,050 lakhs deaths have been occurred with this tobacco. These are the percentage of men who consume tobacco worldwide in other countries and other states of India as well. Apart from this, the National Tobacco Control Program is also used to also create awareness between the people about the hazardous effects of these diseases. We need food, not tobacco. Thank you so much.